Welcome back. Well, viewers, the Prime Minister has made it clear. Operation Sindoor is the definition of India's new doctrine of justice of terror. The killing of 26 innocent civilians has been avenged, and top sources tell Times Now that the Prime Minister is now all set to also meet the family of one of the victims, Shubham Dwivedi, during his visit to Kanpur on the 30th of May. My colleague Ravikant is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Ravikant, this is extremely significant. Almost a month after the unfortunate Pahalgam tragedy, the Prime Minister is going to meet the family members of Shubham Dwivedi. What are the details?
देखिए, प्रधानमंत्री 30 तारीख को कानपुर जा रहे हैं और कानपुर में जो पहलगाम अटैक के जो लोग मारे गए थे उनमें से एक शुभम द्विवेदी है। नरेंद्र मोदी के जाने का कार्यक्रम जो है वो निर्धारित किया गया है और जिस तरीके से हमारी भारतीय सेनाओं ने पहलगाम अटैक के जो भी आरोपी थे पाकिस्तान के ऊपर जो एक्शन लिया है, पूरे कंप्लीट एक महीने पूरे होने के बाद प्रधानमंत्री का इन लोगों से मिलना ये मैसेज है कि जिन लोगों ने इस कृत्य को दिया उनको सेनाओं ने उनके अंजाम तक पहुंचा दिया है और आगे भी अगर इस तरीके की कोई भी एक्टिविटी होती है तो पूरा देश और सेना जो है उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करने के लिए तैयार है और प्रधानमंत्री उनके परिवार वालों से मिलकर उनको सांत्वना देंगे और उनको ढाढ़स बताएंगे और इसके साथ ही जो भी एक्शन लिया जा रहा है सेना के द्वारा उससे पूरा देश अवगत है, उनके परिवार को भी बताया जाएगा। जो भी सरकार कुछ कर सकती थी वो किया गया है।
Okay, the message being extremely clear. India stands with you. That's the message that the Prime Minister is taking to the family members of Shubham Dwivedi, recently married and celebrating in Pahalgam. His life was cut short by terrorists who asked for his religion and then killed him. The Prime Minister had coined the word Operation Sindoor, and he also spoke about how it was an emotional moment for the entire country, as if a bullet pierced through the hearts of every single person in the country. So the Prime Minister has been extremely emotional and very decisive about India's response to the Pahalgam attack. Adib is also live with us, and Adib, this visit of the Prime Minister is very significant because first the priority of the Prime Minister and of the country was to answer the terrorists and give them back in the same coin. After the terror launch pads in Pakistan have been destroyed completely, the Prime Minister will now be meeting the family members of the victims.
Well, definitely. Coming from the Prime Minister's office, where the Prime Minister Modi will be visiting with the family members of Shubham Dwivedi. In fact, who was one of the victims in the Pahalgam incident. He was with his family. Around 11 members of his family were there in that time, and he was in fact when he was in Baisaran Valley, he was with his wife. When this incident took place. The terrorists identified him. The terrorists started asking him questions. The terrorists asked him about his religion, about his name, and then a gun was pointed towards him and he was killed. These are the recall. These are the events that Shania recalled when they came back to their residence in Kanpur. And in fact, when Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also went to meet the victims, this is what the family expressed, that they want revenge of what happened in Pahalgam. And Prime Minister Modi, from time and again, he has confirmed that yes, we have taken the revenge, and now a very significant move coming in where the Prime Minister Modi is all set to visit the family members. In fact, the family members of Shubham Dwivedi, his father, his uncle and his wife, they were saying that from the very first day that they want to meet the Prime Minister, and they were demanding the status of martyr. Now, when the Prime Minister Modi will be meeting them, they will be putting forth for their demand for the status of martyr. And apart from that, the family will be also sharing the first-hand account of what really happened in Pahalgam on that day with the Prime Minister Modi. And although the Prime Minister was briefed about the situation by the senior officials of the Government of India, they all of them met the family members. But now, for the first time, the Prime Minister Modi will be meeting with the family members, and it's a first visit. The Prime Minister Modi is clearly trying to give a message, a strong message to all the people in India, those who are, there are some voices who are criticizing how the government is acting on the Indus Water Treaty and how the Pakistan is behaving. So it's a clear message from Prime Minister Modi that no matter what, we are standing with the victims of Pahalgam. We are standing with our citizens, and we will take every harsh step needed to protect our country. Now, this is a great message coming in from Prime Minister Modi, where he's going to meet the family members of Shubham Dwivedi in Kanpur, and he is expected to arrive in Kanpur on May 30th, where he'll be spending time with the family, he'll be asking them what really happened, who all were the part of that tour that went to Pahalgam, and especially the wife of Shubham Dwivedi. She'll be briefing Prime Minister Modi, she'll be meeting Prime Minister Modi, and the way this entire operation was named Operation Sindoor. So it's a significant move that Prime Minister Modi will be meeting with the first victim in Kanpur, and we can also say that why we can say that the Prime Minister certainly chose this place because as per the family claims, Shubham was the very first one who was in fact shot dead by the terrorists in Baisaran Valley in Pahalgam. So this might be the reason the Prime Minister has chosen this place in Uttar Pradesh to visit the family very first, to meet the family members of Shubham Dwivedi. Pratibha.
Okay, all right. It was a day that India will never forget, and it's clear that India will not forgive the terrorists. That message given quite strongly to Pakistan. Now the Prime Minister will be meeting the family members. In fact, when Operation Sindoor had been launched as well, Shubham Dwivedi's wife had also thanked the Prime Minister, saying that her husband's death had been avenged. In fact, let's also remind our viewers the message that the Prime Minister sent to Pakistan after India avenged Pahalgam. Watch how the Prime Minister relived those moments when India unleashed 22 minutes of hell upon Pakistan.
22 तारीख के हमले के जवाब में हमने 22 मिनट में आतंकियों के 9 सबसे बड़े ठिकाने तबाह कर दिए। दुनिया ने और देश के दुश्मनों ने भी देख लिया कि जब सिंदूर बारूद बन जाता है तो नतीजा क्या होता है। जो सिंदूर मिटाने निकले थे उन्हें मिट्टी में मिलाया है। सीमा पार पाकिस्तान का रहीम यार खान एयरबेस है, आईसीयू में पड़ा है। पाकिस्तान के साथ न ट्रेड होगा न टॉक। अगर बात होगी तो सिर्फ पाकिस्तान के कब्जे वाले कश्मीर की। मोदी का दिमाग ठंडा है, ठंडा रहता है, लेकिन मोदी का लहू गर्म होता है। मोदी की नसों में लहू नहीं, गरम सिंदूर बह रहा है। बंदे बंदे बंदे।
And well, after India has avenged the Pahalgam terror attack, now the Prime Minister will be meeting the family members of the victims. With that, it's time for us to slip into a short break here. We'll be right back. To stay with us.